see somebody like Salman, who I thought was, I don't think I know that he's not so, let's just say, very savvy on social media. I mean, to say he's not so active, and he's not so, he's not one of those people who every now and then, he got introduced to it, and and then initially found fun in it, and maybe his tweets were very, absurd at times. Now it pretty much related more to work, and he was not even. I don't think he monitored everything that he said or did, and but I think for somebody who is not so savvy, I think he understands social media very well. If the second season is not so good, then people will say, you know what, पहला सीजन अच्छा था, सेकंड सीजन ऐसे ही है यार, ठीक है जाने दो, थर्ड भी जाएगा. बहुत मेहनत लगती है, लोगों को शायद बहुत ज्यादा नजर नहीं आता है, उनको एक अच्छा सा वेरी वाइब्रेंट सा फन शो दिखता है, बट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ बैक एंड वर्क and planning and communication that goes to get this show. Those 22 minutes take, I don't know how many, 22 days for each episode, let's just say. I feel cyberbullying should go, and I feel that to some extent unrelated, unwanted trolling should not be there.
But Baz, I mean, high on humor, fun, honest reactions. We thoroughly enjoyed the season 2 of Pinch. So thank you for
you
that.
so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations for the success, because now the expectations for the next season are clearly very high. What's been the reaction like for the season 2, and what's the plan for season 3?
So the reaction has been overwhelming, actually. After the first season, we were quite mindful that the second season had to be very good, because the intention of doing the first season was never to make it a one-off kind of a show. Like, okay, एक season करते छोड़ देते. So once the first season was done with the intention that this has got a very interesting concept. This has got life. This property has got life. This is something that I would be enjoying doing it. And this can become a kind of a season by season scenario. But for that, we have to get our first season right, so that, people would want to see the second season. Now that happened, the first season got accepted and people liked it, it became mandatory for the second season to be good as well. Because if the second season is not so good, then people will say, you know what, पहला season अच्छा था, second season ऐसे ही है यार, ठीक है जाने दो. तो अभी second season में फिर हमको obviously we have to get it right in terms of the concept, maybe little changes, get different people, and that's what we achieved, and touchwood we got a very good response. And now the challenge will be to get the third season on board. And like Sumit and me are very mindful that we don't take anything for granted, that पहला season अच्छा गया, second भी अच्छा गया, तो third भी जाएगा. बहुत मेहनत लगती है, लोगों को शायद बहुत ज्यादा नजर नहीं आता है, उनको एक अच्छा सा very vibrant सा fun show दिखता है, but there's a lot of back end work and planning and communication that goes to get this show. Those 22 minutes take, I don't know how many, 22 days for each episode, let's just say.
Exactly.
Each episode. Yeah, so that's the kind of work that goes into those 22 minutes of work. 22 days minimum of hours are dedicated to each one of them.
Right.
So we are working hard. We are actually a little fatigued, let's just say, from the second season, because like I said, it takes a lot of effort, and we just finished shooting it also and releasing it also. So we are now just chilling, but we are ideating. We're ideating, and we are already thinking of working on the third season. And we will be a bit innovative also. We'll try to bring a few changes that will probably, we hope, that will work with the audience, so that it keeps it fresher and newer and, bolder. Yeah.
Yes. And considering the fact, that the show was, focusing on trolling and cyberbullying, has your perception about these two, main, let's say, the flaws that we are sort of, overcoming every day, has that sort of, changed your perception about cyberbullying and trolling through the second season?
No, I still feel it exists. And having so many people talk about it is probably going to slowly but gradually make an effect. But if you ask me whether my opinion from the first episode till now has changed, it hasn't changed. I feel cyberbullying should go. And I feel that to some extent, unrelated, unwanted trolling should not be there. But then, like I said, kid, this is all a part of transition. This is all going to take time. This is something that you have to keep pegging at. You have to keep trying to, like educate people, to have prominent people talk about it. That's why this show about these people who are pretty evolved in their own way, that, fine, they're stars, and they, you in a way, you're throwing stones at them, or you're trying to, humiliate them, or trying to make them feel bad about things that probably they have done, or maybe they've not done. How they talk about it and how they approach it is what the show is all about. And how we as human beings have to be more careful and judicious about each of our words or comments, because they kind of pinch in, like, that's what the show is about. Yeah.
Right. And the biggest pinch, that you talked about while speaking to Salman was about, this rumor of Salman having a wife and a 17-year-old daughter. And I think the way he reacted was quite honest and, quite convincing. So was that really the kind of reaction that you were expecting from him, or what was going on in your head, before asking that question? Yeah.
See, the beauty of this show is that, there's not everything that I can anticipate. Even though I know I'm going to pose a certain question to somebody, I really don't know how is he going to go, how is he going to say, what is he going to say. And according to how he goes about it is what will be my next interaction with him, because it's a kind of a candid show which I have to kind of, I don't know, play with that emotion, or not play, I would say, like to interact with that emotion, so, and then know whether to push it further or to take it there and accept it just the way it is. So there are a lot of things that I preempt, and somewhere, like, it's very obvious to preempt, okay, fine, I'll get this answer from that person, but I need that answer, or I would have hoped for that answer. But there are many times that when I preempt a certain answer, I don't get that. And that's the beauty of the show, because the other person is there to kind of surprise you with what he's got to say. And that's the beauty of the show. So, even sometimes I react to some things like, like, oh my God, I didn't expect this. So then that's interesting.
So what was the biggest takeaway for you from Salman's episode?
Well, I think how see somebody like Salman, who I thought was I don't think I thought, I know that he's not so, let's just say, very savvy on social media. I mean, to say he's not so active, and he's not so, he's not one of those people who every now and then, he got introduced to it, and and then initially found fun in it, and maybe his tweets were very, absurd at times, but he didn't know how to. Then now it's pretty much related more to work, and he was not even. I don't think he monitored everything that he said or did, and but I think for somebody who is not so savvy, I think he understands social media very well. He understands it very well, because his answers that came, I was not expecting him to talk so knowledgeable in the way he answered them, and so like he said, he said a lot of things that about how social media is a place where you can use it for so many nicer things, for work and for all of that, and people, the good thing is that people have made a living out of it. So, why don't we look at that side of it? Why should we only talk about social media and its negativity? It has given livelihoods to so many people. But at the same time, it's also damaging to a lot of people, because they can really harm themselves by, it's like we always discuss, it's a knife, a kitchen knife. It's used to cut vegetables, it's used to cut fruits. But that same kitchen knife can be used to harm somebody as well.
Yeah.
You got it? So, there's a pen, you can write a beautiful novel, you can write a love story, and you can write certain nasty things about somebody, and you can make them hurt them. So everything has got its great side, and it's got its not so great side, or probably, so social media too has got its great sides.
Right.
But that's by itself, social media, there's nothing wrong with it. It's the people who use social media. That's what it is. Now, a pen by itself is not a bad thing, right? It's how you use the pen. A knife by itself is not a bad thing. It's used for great things. But how you use it. An axe is used to cut a tree, but you can use to harm somebody.
So what's your strategy, to sort of stay insane when you are at the receiving end of such criticism? I mean, every star is, everything that they say or do almost, it doesn't go down with a lot of people. So what's your strategy to maintain your sanity?
So it's like, what happens when you go to a boot camp?
Hmm.
It's like
Yeah.
initially you find everything tough, and then by the end of it, you come out like a soldier. You got
Hmm.
it? So that's what social media is about. Initially, you kind of find it very tough. You find it like, how do you deal with it? And it takes a lot out of you. You may not be able to survive this whole shit.
Arbaz,
Mhm.
what celebrities made a lot of interesting revelations throughout the season. What were those revelations that you took with a pinch of Arbaz Khan?
About
What?
me,
Yes, yes.
I
As
think the show was not so much about getting things that pinched me. So I don't know. I mean, to say I should be sitting. Somebody should be doing what I do and maybe sit across and then see what the. Probably I
Mm.
can do like a double hero film kind of. Like I can.
I can pitch myself.
Yeah.
Right,
Start
So
right.
pitching you.
I can do one thing where we can do some. I kept asking him. I said, how about we
Yeah.
do this green screen where I ask myself questions and I sit on the other side and I answer them. Maybe it could be a unique episode, but maybe in
Wait,
one of the seasons, maybe
Yeah.
I could be
we'll
on
do
that as a
yeah.
Yes,
guest,
we
and
should. Yes,
we'll get
we can. Maybe
somebody to do that with.
Salman should be
Yeah,
asking you some
yeah.
tough questions.
Oh, he would, he would love it. He would love it.
He would.
Any of my siblings would love it. Any of them.
Yes, even Sohail, yes.